Why are you so amazing? The power of Affirmation Questions. That's right, I use the word Afformations, and I'll explain why in a moment. So, I have posted hundreds of affirmation recordings on my YouTube channel over the course of nearly 5 years now, and I've taken a lot of different approaches to them. I've done I am affirmations, I've done you are affirmations. I say the affirmations over calming background music. I've sung the affirmations over electronic music beats, and many other approaches. It seems like maybe I'd covered them all, but I did run across something recently that I found really intriguing. And that's something called Afformations by a guy named Noah St. John. So Noah believes that instead of just doing the typical I am affirmation statements, that it's more powerful if you ask yourself a series of questions. And I've talked about the power of questions many times over the years, and the idea here is that when you ask yourself a question, your brain or your mind assumes that the question is valid, and then it goes to work finding answers to that question. So many times in life, though, we ask ourselves disempowering questions, like why am I so bad at this? Why do things never work out for me? And when you ask questions like that, your mind will come back at you with a lot of answers that are not going to make you feel great. So the key is to ask yourself more powerful questions, and on top of that, you have to imagine and assume that the question is valid. So I would like to do this in the form of a little role-playing game with you. Let's do a little improvisational acting together, okay? In this scene, you are going to be coming to me because you are the subject of a research study. I'm going to ask you a series of questions and give you a little time to answer each one. Again, just play along and act as if these are valid questions because they are, and you're going to be amazed at the answers that you come up with. And you can answer them either out loud or in your mind. So if you're ready, let's begin our scene. Well, hello! Welcome! Oh my God, it's so great to meet you. My research team and I have been following your activities for quite a while now, and we're just astounded by who you are and how you live your life. So here, have a seat. Can I get you anything? Okay, great. I just have a series of questions here, and I just want you to answer honestly. And we're going to use the answers that you give us to help other people live empowering lives too, because you're doing such a great job at it. And just between you and me, I'm just really thrilled to have been the one that was picked to actually meet you in person, face to face, and do this interview. I'm just so excited. So let's jump into it. So here's my first question. Why are you so dedicated to becoming a better person? That's great. Why do you have such a good outlook on life? Here's another thing we observed about you. I'm just curious about why do you count your blessings on a daily basis? And here's a follow-up question. Why is expressing your gratitude so good for you? All right, next question. Why do you make your happiness a priority? I really want to know the answer to this next one. Why does success come to you so effortlessly? Also, why are you so good at attracting abundance? And right along with that, why does money seem to flow to you so easily? Let's talk a bit about your social life. Why are you so good at meeting new people? And why are you so calm and composed? And I gotta ask simply, why do so many people care about you? Why do you put a priority on your physical health and well being? And why are you so confident with who you are? This is getting a little personal, but why are you such a great partner in your relationships? And I hope this doesn't come across as being inappropriate, but why are you so darned lovable? And finally, last question, why are you so amazing? Thank you so much for coming in to answer these questions. It was such an honor to meet you, and I just loved your responses. I know this information is going to help so many other people to improve their lives as well. Thank you for living your life the way that you do and for being a shining example for others to follow. Thanks again. And scene. Did you enjoy that? I hope so. And even though we were being a little bit silly there, I hope you found valid answers to those questions. I hope that by answering those empowering questions and you making that assumption that they are valid, that you came up with some answers that maybe surprised you, that forced you to look at the good in your life and the positive aspects of who you are. Because they are there in abundance, and it's about time that you recognized and appreciated that about yourself. So come back to this recording as often as it serves you. This is Bob Baker of Bob Baker Inspiration. I'm also the author of The Power of Affirmations and Positive Self-Talk. Till we talk next time, so long for now.